Hi, I'm Klaus from Jabra. Today I would like to talk about the Jabra Biz 2400. The Jabra Biz 2400 headsets are designed for business and contact center professionals. Talking on the phone for many hours a day can be hard on your ears. Jabra's 2400 headsets emphasize comfort, state-of-the-art audio, and durability. The 2400's microphone utilizes noise cancellation technology, so your customers only hear your voice. You can choose a mono or a dual speaker style, and all headsets are adjustable so you can get just the right fit. The adjustable and break-proof boom lets you place the microphone in the exact position that works for you. The Jabra Biz 2400 headsets work with all leading phone systems. So whatever your office setup and whatever way you like to work, the Jabra Biz 2400 headsets fit right in. For more information about the Jabra Biz 2400, please visit jabra.com. Thank you for watching.
Connected.